Across Africa, the boundary between the living and the dead is a doorway. Ancestors remain present, guiding and shaping daily life, offering wisdom and continuity. Ancestor veneration is about honoring deceased relatives who continue to influence the living. It's a connection of remembrance, not worship, bridging past and present. In Ghana, the Akan honor ancestors called Insamanfo with sacred stools during Akwasi. Libations of water or schnapps invite blessings. The Zulu in South Africa communicate with ancestors through dreams and rituals like ukubahisa. Beer and incense are offered for harmony. In Cameroon, the Bomileke and Bakuri honor lineage with skull houses and limbando rituals. Masquerades embody ancestors in community life. In Nigeria, Yoruba and Igbo traditions involve egungun and Ndichi rituals. Mass dances and kola nut ceremonies maintain moral order. Ancestors provide identity, guidance, and continuity. Despite modernization and global religious influences, reverence remains deeply rooted and adaptive. To honor ancestors is to honor those who shape today. Across Africa, the living and the departed remain one family, impacting cultural identity and daily life. Thanks for watching and follow for more intriguing stories on our Did You Know series.